Good morning, yogis. Welcome to my bedroom in my house. I decided to do some classes right here in bed. So this is going to be a morning yoga class you can do right here in the comfort of your bed before you get started with your day. No props needed. If you need props at all, just use your blankets and your pillows. So what I like to do when I get out of bed in the morning, I really like to do a butterfly pose. So just start by bringing the soles of your feet together, let your knees fall apart, and just let yourself melt down into that butterfly fold. And you can always use some pillows under your chest or under your forehead. And the great thing about doing yoga in bed is that the mattress allows us to just sink into the poses in a way that's really comfortable. So we're never going too far. It's not too deep. And especially in the morning, we tend to be fairly stiff. So just take some deep breaths here as you relax your shoulders, your hips, your spine, and start to think about the day you want to have. The kind of energy you want to bring. Maybe your intention for the day ahead. And you can push your hands, rolling all the way back up. And just bring your palms behind you. And you can let your knees fall a little bit side to side in a windshield wiper motion. And we'll come into a wide like a child's pose, another really yummy stretch to do first thing in the morning, especially with the support of a mattress. So big toes together, knees as wide as you would like them to be, and just let yourself fold forward here. And you might turn one ear towards the mattress, or you can just keep forehead to the floor. Whatever feels more comfortable to you. Taking 5 breaths here. You might start to think of the word you would like to pick for your intention today. A word that represents how you want to feel, what you want to focus on. Breathing deeply into your belly, and you can just slide onto your belly into your Sphinx Pose. So forearms staying down, think of lifting up through your chest, rolling your shoulders back. Expand and open through your heart. And we'll add a little quad stretch here. So you can bend into one knee, just grab a hold of your foot as you pull it in. And you can either stay up in a little Sphinx pose, so working on a back bend as well, or you can just let yourself come back down and melt. And release the hold of that foot and switch sides. So pulling that other heel in, and maybe staying up with your chest or just letting yourself melt down. Feel that nice opening through the front of your thigh, your quads, your hip flexors, all the way down into your knee. And release the hold of that heel. Let's press back up. So we can take a seat here again. And we'll come into a variation of half butterfly. So you can bring one heel in and extend the other leg out. And I really like to do side bends in the morning. It's a great way to energize yourself. So as you're lifting up, instead of folding directly towards our knee, we're going to move into a side bend first. So you might bring your left hand to your lower back, and you can always support your head by making a little fist with your palm. So just a big side body stretch here, and starting to open up into our legs as well and into our hips. Taking a few minutes every morning to focus on ourselves, our own well-being, and beyond just stretching our body so that physically we can feel better. This is also your opportunity to work on mindset, to really set the tone mentally for the day ahead. Let's lift all the way back up, and we'll switch sides. Bring that leg in and extend the other one out. And moving into your side bend from here. Maybe that right hand goes to your low back as you support your head by making a fist or using your pillows. Feel your breath go all the way down into your lower belly so that your abdomen expands. And come all the way back up. And now let's stretch both legs out. And you can fold directly into the center. And you really don't need to go very far here. Feel free to use your pillows. Or you can stack your palms. And the mattress helps us to keep our knees bent a little bit, which is great in the morning when the hamstrings are most likely the tightest that they'll be. Three big breaths here. And come on up. And now just take a seat in any way that feels comfortable to you here. We'll reach our arms all the way up overhead. Take a big stretch here. Interlace your hands and push the palms up. And you might go a little bit to one side and then a little bit to the other. Coming back to neutral into a twist. Just one hand to your knee, open up. Inhale, arms rise, and we'll go twist to the other side. Coming all the way back through to center, close your eyes, bring your hands to your knees. roll your shoulders down and away from your ears. And take some cleansing breaths. Your sacred time to really set your intention for the day ahead. Finding one word that captures this intention. And once you've chosen it, we'll bring our hands together at the front of the heart and taking a cleansing breath in through the nose and out the mouth. Inhale. Letting it go. Bowing forward. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this quick little morning yoga class in bed with me. I would love to know what your word of the day is. Leave it down below in the comments. Please do subscribe. And if you're looking for more morning yoga classes, definitely try my 30-day free morning yoga movement challenge. And if you want to focus on mindset a little bit more, you can follow this up with the 5-minute affirmation meditation. Thank you so much. Namaste.